Alright, first unplug the connector from the sensor. Next, use a Phillips head screwdriver and remove the 2 screws holding it in place. Now all you need to do is firmly pull up on the sensor until it pops out of the socket. And here's the sensor right here. That's what we're going to clean. Make sure to use a mass airflow sensor cleaner. I use the one from the brand CRC, which I will put a link to in the description below. Spray the sensor a few times as seen here, and make sure to spray both sides of the sensor. Wait around 3 to 5 minutes for it to air dry, and then install it back into the vehicle. Seat the sensor firmly into the socket and reinstall both screws. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector, and that's it. Here's a clip of the idle before cleaning, which stayed at 1000 RPM even while it was warm. Now here's the idle after cleaning. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like this video as well as subscribe. And all the links that I mentioned will be in the description below.